Hair is about 75% dry, and I like to give it some time to air dry a little bit before I use any type of heat. I'm really excited to try out this roller brush as a dryer. I do prefer to use this style brush rather than the Dyson. Actually, my Dyson recently broke, so this is by a brand called Aima Beauty. 4-in-1 salon one-step hair dryer. So this one I would say has more direct air hitting than my other brush. So let's see how this goes. It does have 3 settings, a high, a low, and then a cool setting. I always like to finish my hair with the cool setting. That way it seals in the cuticle and your hair looks 10 times shinier. Condition, then shampoo, and then use a hair mask. That has always been my ritual. Ooh, it's already looking so shiny. I absolutely am loving this so far. I would say the #1 thing about using this compared to a normal blow dryer is that you don't need to use a brush and the blow dryer, tire out your arms. This is all in one. So instead of using the roller brush with the blow dryer and then rolling it up into little wet, then you're gonna make it like harder to dry. I don't really have too many flyaways, but my hair just gets really poofy after I blow dry it because I guess, I don't know, it's a blonde hair thing, I guess, but to make my hair a little bit less poofy, I am going to go in with that cool setting. So all you do is just put the button up 1 notch. I also like how it lights up blue to let you know that you're on the cool setting. So it's still blowing hot air. I'm gonna give it like a minute to blow cold and then start.